Hello, I'm Katie from Boiling Springs. Today, Lisa is going to take us through how to cross-stitch the cross-stitch pattern from the February subscription box. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you at the end. Have fun.
I'm Lisa Hall. I was the branch librarian at the Boiling Springs Library. I'm now working in collection management at the downtown library. So Katie has put together some subscription boxes for us today. We're going to be doing a cross-stitch pattern, a very simple beginner cross-stitch pattern. So what we have in our box is our 14 count 8 of fabric, which is what we're going to be cross-stitching on. We also have an embroidery needle, and I've actually already threaded this needle with some of our embroidery floss. We're going to have 2 different colors in our subscription box. I have pink in mine, and I also have black. So we have our pink embroidery floss that came in our kit. The easiest way to do this is just to find your end on your embroidery floss and then hold it in your hand and pull it to your elbow. And then that way we get a length that's pretty good for using, depending on how much of that color we need. But that should keep us from having to do it too often to rethread our needle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate 2 strands of our embroidery floss because when we cross stitch, we always want to use at least 2 strands for it to show up well. Got my 2, and it can get knotted, so I try to do it easily, and you can kind of let it spin out a little bit so it doesn't get tangled. Okay, so we have our 2 strands of our pink embroidery floss, and I'm going to start over again with mine. A lot of times it's easier to thread a needle by moving your needle towards your thread instead of your thread towards your needle.